Embarking on this creative journey has been full of challenges, especially learning all the technical skills needed to truly bring an artist's vision to life. But thanks to the amazing community of YouTubers who share their passion and knowledge, I've reached a point where I can express myself fully through Procreate. The possibilities it offers go beyond anything I could achieve with traditional drawing and illustration, and I'm excited to explore and share this new chapter with you all. The idea sparked after watching an incredible YouTuber who skillfully draws animals and people, showcasing an amazing mastery of textures and colors. Inspired by his work, I wanted to try something similar, but with my own unique style and personal touch. And that's how the seal idea was born. After finishing the seal, I was pretty happy with how it looked. A nice, calm seal, but I felt like it needed more. It needed a story to tell. That's when I imagined Jeff the seal, floating on a broken iceberg, just relaxing. Slowly, stroke by stroke, the story began to unfold. A vibrant salmon leaps joyfully from the water, its reddish hue catching the eye. Jeff, of course, realizes food is coming his way. But the question is, will he catch it? As the drawing evolved, I started to love the direction it was taking and decided to enhance the composition. I added more background elements, crafted a polar-like setting framed in white, and it started to feel just right. But something was missing. Jeff needed a foil, someone to challenge his piece. Enter the seagull, loud, obnoxious, and perpetually angry-looking. The perfect addition to disrupt Jeff's tranquil moment. With this new character, the scene came alive, and the story found its balance between calm and chaos. An iPad Pro, 11 inches from 2018 with Apple Pencil 2, Procreate and Touchscape was used in the production of this illustration. Please like and subscribe to allow me to invest more time to bring more of my imagination to fruition.